Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your Discord account on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser and head over to the website discord.com. Now go and log in with your Discord account and then open Discord. Once you're signed into your account, you'll see this green message at the top of the screen, and what we can do here is go and press Resend Email. As you can see, this will send a verification code to the registered email address on your account. Now, if this isn't a valid email address, you can always click on here to change your email. Otherwise, I'm just going to press on OK. Then just go and sign in with your email account. And in your email inbox, you'll receive an email that looks something similar to this. All you simply need to do is go and click on this Verify Email button. And that's going to go and verify your Discord account. So as you can see, this is now verified and we can press Continue to Discord. And just like that, we are now completely verified. So that's basically how you can verify your Discord account on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.